Snow is falling soft and slow, golden lights through every window glow. In this quiet winter night, everything feels warm and bright. Footsteps echo down the hall, shadows dancing on the walls. In this peaceful holiday scene, life feels like a golden dream. Here